We're still at the very beginning of the rehearsal process of the performance Talks About Love. So we are still very much just searching, trying to understand each other, trying to touch each other. It's a co-production, so there are 4 nations in it. It's Albanian, Italian, Montenegrin, and Slovene. And it is, it's really interesting how we all have very different stories, different songs, different rituals, different weddings, but the core of it, the thing that connects us, that is love, and the emotions that go with it, they are all very much the same. So we are researching this space in between the cultural differences and the thing that is at the core of what is to be human, a man, a woman.